friends, today I am happy to share that I now am a owner of the IkonArt Custom Stencil Kit. So this is an alternative to the Cricut Machine. You can make your own reusable adhesive stencils. So let's take a look inside the box and see what comes in the kit. So the Ikon Custom Stencil Kit includes the following tools, and I'll show you what's inside the box, but it comes with a stand with the LED light, 5 sheets of the IkonArt stencil film, 5 sheets of the inkjet printer film, 5 sheets of laser printer film, 1 squeegee, and 1 clipboard. And so to briefly explain the kit, first what you do is you print your custom artwork from your inkjet or laser printer, and then you're going to use the exposure stand and LED light to expose the artwork onto the IkonArt stencil film. Then you'll be rinsing the stencil that you have created with warm water, and that stencil is used to make a reusable stencil that you can use on various products such as glass, wood, ceramic, metal, and more. So to show you, there's a couple of examples on the box of things that you can make, and we'll be making them in the near future, but you can use it on wood, you can screen print onto shirts and fabric, ceramics, you can do planters, you can do it on paper, so you can make your own invitations using the screen print method. All of your mini tray decor items and signs. So if you're a sign maker, this is amazing because you can use the same stencil over and over. So print, expose, rinse, create. Okay, and did I mention that these stencil films are made in the USA? So this is a smaller shop that I am happy to check out and promote. So this is what's inside the box when you receive it. So there is, let's see here, the inkjet printer film. There's 5 sheets included. They're 8.5 by 11. You'll also receive laser printer film, 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11. Cute little squeegee. You'll receive a clipboard as well as the quick start packet, which includes the setup guide, the quick start guide, printed artwork sample for the inkjet printer film, and a stencil sample on blue IkonArt stencil film. So this is what you'll use to practice with. The adorable clipboard. You'll also receive the 5 sheets of the IkonArt stencil film, and this is light sensitive, so stays in this package until you're absolutely ready to use it. You'll also receive the LED light system, and finally you'll receive the exposure stand. So here is all the parts for the exposure stand and the base. So I will be putting this together and working on my first project, and I'll be sharing that with you shortly. If you have any questions or you have used this IkonArt system already, please feel free to let me know in the comments, and I can't wait to share more. Thanks, friends!